So what I showed today in the demo was how to deploy a VibeVM on Follow Cloud, which would be a tamper-proof, isolated sandbox running in a confidential VM. So to show you what that looks like, from a configuration perspective, you would see something like this. You have a URL that you can access. It's password gated. And then you have a full web IDE. You can use this agent mode if you would like, or you can download any of your favorite agent code frameworks like Codex. Here, see that? We can go to there. You can also run Claude, as you can see here, and even Pi. But you can install anything. So you have like full access to installing the system dependencies, the software packages you need, and you can do anything. So another interesting part as well, right over here, is that you can also run applications. So in the demo I showed here is that you can deploy an application and it will auto forward to a port, which you can see here. And this is interesting because whenever you click on this link here you are. There's your application. It's right there. You didn't have to set anything up. It's very easy. And then I had already pulled it up right here on this tab, but you can start interacting with it. On this, it was just a simple chat that I had built where I generate a wallet that's just wallet stuff, an agent card here, like the TE agent, the registration. This was just like a sample project I'd built months ago. And what I did here was I used the Red Pill AI models like GLM5 that's hosted by Fala. And I showed like you can leverage this LLM to chat with and be able to get information. So what I did was give it some mock data, tell it with its Perl execution environment so that it can write a Perl script and then be able to use regex from the Perl script to pull out all the contact information, which is pretty nice. I did this at my last job. It was pretty easy. But what it did here, it's like, oh, perfect, Perl script executed. It goes through like what regex expression, regular expression it used and technique. And then, from there, it runs the results. It gives you the results and shows you the standard output. Obviously it can be cleaned up, but it's just a little demo. And you can see like from the perspective of what you would see in the Follow Cloud dashboard after you deploy, you would see something like this here where you have your confidential VM here. You have the ability to go access like the English traffic here. You can also bring your own domain. That's another topic I can go over. It's like right here, add custom domain. You can manage your encrypted secrets. You have a history of all your deployments, and then also you can resize. You can do whichever. You can go and check your settings. Like I said, you have your settings here. You can make your logs public or you can make them not public. Along with your trusted computing base attestation info. You can also publicly list it so it can be on the Explore page on Follow Cloud. And then here's that resize instance and then the custom domain diagnosis. And then you have your like version of DStack for the OS image. You can use development or production version. I kind of went over that a little bit about how the development version allows you to SSH into the CVM, so you can do more comprehensive debugging. And then, yes, you can also upgrade your CVM and just all you have to do is change your Docker Compose file. And that's another thing. It's only a Docker Compose file you need to be able to launch this. And then if I were to go back here, like I said, you can just click here. And here's another deployment. This is a blank slate. This is what you would get whenever you're deploying a VibeVM to Follow Cloud, and is fully flexible. You can do whatever you want. Let me know what you think. And if you have any questions, you can reach me anywhere. Warlock on Twitter or Joshua@fala.network. Thank you for watching.